In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Visual Studio Code 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll be running ChatGPT right inside your editor so you can refactor code, fix bugs, and generate tests without bouncing between windows. We'll install the official extension, sign in securely, run inline edits, connect ChatGPT through Copilot's multi-model setup, and delegate larger builds to an autonomous agent, all while keeping your workflow fast and focused. First, let's install the official OpenAI Codex extension. Open Visual Studio Code and head to the extensions view from the left activity bar, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus X on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus X on Mac. In the search field, type Codex OpenAI and look for the verified extension from OpenAI. Click Install and give it a moment to initialize. If you don't see it right away, confirm your network is reachable and that VS Code is up to date. A quick reload often completes the setup. Next, sign in securely. Click the new ChatGPT or Codex icon in the activity bar to open its panel, then choose Sign In. A trusted browser window will open with a secure flow. Log into your active ChatGPT plan, review the requested permissions, and authorize. This links your editor to your account without storing sensitive credentials inside your codebase and ensures the extension can respect your custom settings. Now try targeted inline edits without breaking focus. Open any file, highlight the code you want improved, and press Ctrl plus Y on Windows or CMD plus I on Mac. A small prompt box appears at your cursor. Describe what you want, for example. Refactor a nested loop to reduce allocations, add robust error handling, and preserve types. Press Enter to preview the suggested diff. If it looks good, apply. If not, adjust your prompt and try again. Keep instructions precise and mention constraints like performance goals or style guides for better results. If your team uses GitHub Copilot, but you want ChatGPT's reasoning behind the wheel, open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P or CMD plus Shift plus P and select Developer. Bring your own key or the model customization option your environment provides. Follow your organization's secure secret storage process to link your provider. Avoid pasting secrets into files or consoles. Then open the multi-agent chat terminal with Ctrl plus Alt plus I and choose Codex or GPT-5 from the model selector to drive Copilot suggestions. Finally, delegate larger tasks to the integrated agent. In the chat panel, grant access to your workspace and terminal when prompted, then describe the end-to-end outcome you need, such as scaffolding a Node.js API, aligning with an existing schema, generating unit tests, running the build, and preparing a commit. Monitor the real-time diffs, review changes carefully, and run tests locally before merging. Handing routine refactors, lookups, and test runs to ChatGPT inside VS Code lets you focus on shipping reliable features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.